Hello Ed, this is Evan Roberts for the CIS 220 class for fall of 2019. It's the object-oriented programming class, so glad I can get that out. Sorry if I sound a bit stuffy, it's just because I am. So the video for this week is you want us to show you a somewhat competent use of the GitHub site and product. And so I think that the tutorial is actually a pretty good one that we can get started on. I obviously just ran through this. I've honestly never used GitHub before, but I can definitely see why anyone would. It just seems like a very good way to create workflow between many people, or even just a few, and get products developed quickly and precisely without having to waste too much time. So to begin, we obviously have the opening page or whatever, and let's say I want to go and create a new branch. So we can just go in here and type in, let's just say we're going to edit the README again, because why not? Edit-README-2, because that's what we're doing. Create that branch. So it pulls all the code that was already in the master. So it takes all this and essentially copies it into the edit-readme.2 branch, where we can now mess around with anything that's already in here. So, like, we can just start typing potato over and over again if we so feel, because I'm Irish and that's what I like to do. Potatoes are good and I love them and I can't get enough. So enough for the randomness. Have all your changes. Oops, whatever, I don't want to do that. I'll take out some of it. And you make all your changes. Honestly, it doesn't just have to be text files. It can be, well, it is text files, but usually it's going to be in, the format of Python or Java, C# maybe. What you can do is you're going to come on down to here, and before you want to commit the changes, you should always label what you've done. So the title of the change is going to be potato update. Obviously just added potatoes. Period. So it's going to commit it directly to there because it was made for that purpose. So this is now our full branch. This is the edit-readme.2. However, you go back to the master, it's still just what we started with, because this has not had a pull request yet. So if we go ahead and go to our pull request tabs, we can create a new one. It's going to be the edit-readme2. As you can see, these green lines here are what's added. If we said took out this entire line would be a red, showing that it's being taken out. So we can go ahead, we look at everything here. All this green is being compared to the master. It's compare this to the master. So we can create a new pull request. And like we said, it's just that. It automatically starts with the comments you made on the branch. So we can create the pull request. It's checking, and it sees that nothing else is wrong with it. Nothing's going to create any errors. So we can go ahead and merge immediately and confirm. So that now has been merged into the master. So we now have the master branch, which is whatever, and it has the potato update effectively there. So now, since we have that done, we can essentially delete the potato update branch, the edit-readme.2. So we can go ahead and there we go. So we now have the master with just a load of potatoes in it, and that's all good stuff. Alright, thank you.